Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's activate the SIM card firstly, and after that just launch settings application. So now just tap here on the security section and scroll a little bit down to SIM card lock section. After that, now just to unlock our device, to remove the SIM pin, we should click here only once on the switcher, and then just to confirm our actions after they enter in the SIM pin here. So in my case, that's from 1 to OK to 4, and then just tap here to OK. Now we can see that the SIM code disabled successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.